Hello and welcome to our step 9. We open our file. In this step, we'll show you how to group elements. First of all, we pick our Revit family. We copy it one time to the left. Copy, check if we have multiple activated. Copy it one time to the left. One time down. One time to the right. Now we select all of our 4 Revit families. And in our contextual tab, we click Group. Group 1, okay. And we copy it one time to the side. And one time down. Groups in Revit Architecture are very useful because if you make changements in one group, it will affect all groups of the similar type. So we will select one group and we click Edit Group, and now we change the element properties of our Revit families. Deselect third desk, and if you click Finish now, you'll see all of our groups have been changed. Now we are going to copy a group to the right side again. Click Copy. Move it over to the right side. We are going to duplicate our group now, so we select it and click Edit Type in our Properties palette. And click here Duplicate, Group 2, OK. OK. This is a different group, so if we make changes in that group, it only will affect that group. We click now Edit Group, and we'll show you 2 possibilities how to remove elements from a group. If you delete a Revit element from a group, it also will be deleted from the project. So we select one element, and with the Delete button, we delete it. We click now Remove, and select one Revit element. And if you remove a Revit element, it will remain in the project, but excluded from the group. So we now finish our group, and we copy our group 2 times to the left side. Now we are done with our interior design. We're going to place some rooms and room tags. In our Home tab, we pick Rooms, Room, and we place the first room in our conference area. We zoom in a little bit. We rename that room to Conference. The room tag is a 2-dimensional element with 3-dimensional properties. So you see here, the surface has been calculated, the perimeter has been calculated, the volume has not been computed yet, so we want to compute our volume. We switch in our Home tab, choose Area and Volume Computations, and select here, Area and Volumes. And you see the volume has now been computed. We are now going to place some more rooms. So we click on Room. We have already some rooms predefined. So we select here IT. Place it over here. Toilet. Now we will place the office area. On the right side, if you click the boundaries of our toilet, you see only the entrance area is calculated. Our calculation also should include the other 2 rooms. So we select these 2 walls. And in the properties, we demark room bounding. And if we now click our boundaries again, you see the whole room is now calculated. Now we will show you what room separation lines are. We select our office room, and we see the kitchen is also calculated as office area. We want here a separate space, so we switch into the Home tab, select separation line, and we draw 2 boundaries. If we click on our office room again, you see the kitchen area has been excluded from the calculation. So now we are ready to place our kitchen room. Place it. For presentation purposes, we can also add a color scheme to our floor plan. We switch into our view properties and activate our color scheme. We select here name. Okay. And now every single room has a separate color. We are going to place a legend now. We select legend in our home tab and place it on the right side. We have several schemes to choose from. So we select a different room scheme and pick here floor finish. Now you see that our conference area has no floor finish at the moment, and we want to assign a floor finish. So we open our room schedule. We want to see both of our views, so we switch in our view tab and select here tile windows. With the shortcut set A, we fit our view, and if we switch in our schedule in the category floor finish, we can now assign a floor finish to our conference room. We select here stone tiles. And now you see the color scheme changed and a new category has been created in the legend. So that's it for our 9th step, and we'll be back in the 10th.